In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to a Google Drive folder. This straightforward process will allow you to keep all your important documents, photos, or any other files neatly organized and easily accessible from anywhere. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to your Google Drive folder where you want your file to be stored. To do this, open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, scan your screen for the folder in which you want to put the file. If it's not among your recent files, try using the search bar at the top for quick navigation. Simply click on the folder name and you'll be taken directly to it. Now that you're inside your desired folder, direct your attention to the upper left area of the screen. Here, you'll see a colorful round plus icon or a New button, usually highlighted in blue. This button is your gateway to adding content to your drive. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. It's packed with various options for adding new content to your folder, from creating a new Google Doc to uploading files. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled File Upload, usually third or fourth on the list. Click on it, and this will trigger a file browser window to open. Here you can browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your file is saved on your device. It could be in Documents, Downloads, or wherever you store your files. Just navigate there, and once you find your file, click to select it. Then hit Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. This will start the upload process. Now that the file is uploading, you'll notice a small box at the bottom right corner of your screen showing the progress of your upload. It may say, Uploading Item 1 of 1, along with a percentage indicator. If your file is large, be prepared to wait a few moments for it to upload. But once it's done, it'll automatically appear in your Google Drive folder. To ensure everything's gone smoothly, it's a good idea to double-check your folder. The uploaded file should now be visible among other files and folders. If you see it there, congratulations, you've successfully added a file to Google Drive. You can click on it to confirm that it opens correctly or right-click for additional options like sharing it. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to upload a file to your Google Drive folder quickly and efficiently. This will help keep all your digital necessities organized and accessible whenever and wherever you need them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.